Do you want to learn how to add money to your Facebook ad account? Watch this video to the end. So before we start, I beg don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Yes, anywhere you see they watch this video, follow us for that channel as well. Over the years, for a long time, I've been receiving questions on how to add money to my Facebook ad account. Facebook is not debiting me. I cannot run ads because they're not accepting my card and all that stuff, Even yourself, you should be one of those when you complain, Abby. Okay, so today I will teach you how to add money to your Facebook ad account so that you can run ads on Facebook, on Instagram. And remember, if they use WhatsApp business, you will also run ads through WhatsApp business as well, right? So that you can reach your target customers and then close that deal that you want for your business. So if you are ready, let's go. So to fund your Facebook ad account, you will need your Facebook personal account. Yes, your Facebook personal account, just like what we have on the screen. So here is my own personal Facebook account. Of course, you can see my name there, Clement Eshemogi. Then click on the menu, then click on settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, then click on settings. Now here it will take you to where you will click on add payment. So click on add payment. Of course, you can see my available fund is showing 20,000 naira plus, right? So now let's add money to this 20,000 naira. So to do that, click on add fund, which will bring you to where you will need to add the amount that you want to add to what you already have. Or if you don't have at all, you can fund your account as well. So if you pay attention to the screen where you're front now, you will discover, say, you get to use to add method of payment and also to fund the account. Now, as we proceed, you will understand what's in at the talk. So add the amount where you want to pay. So for me now, I want to add 15,000 naira, join the 20,000 naira plus that is already there. So then I select the pay you. Now to add money to your Facebook ad account, do not select the option of a debit or credit card. Better still, select the Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card and then click next. So from there, it will take you to this point where it will ask you to click continue. So please click continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that this payment page will open on a new window. Follow the instructions and then go ahead. So to do this, here we go. This place, it will ask that you put in your card details. When you are done putting in your card details, click on pay. You'll see the amount there that is showing green. Click on the pay. And then it will take you to this point where it's saying authenticating your transaction. Your bank, the bank card that you are using, will send you OTP to confirm that you're the one. So this OTP, I think it will last for like 5 minutes or so. So input the OTP where you are asked to add it and click on confirm. So here it is loading. You say your transaction was successful, right? You can see the same thing on your screen too. And remember, we added 15,000 naira. So 15,000 naira successfully added. Remember, we had 20,000 naira then. So 15 plus 20 will be about 35,000 naira plus, right? So this is how to add money to your Facebook ad account. Now, don't forget to also hit the follow button, share this video with one or two persons who you feel say need to see them as well. So if you learn something new for this video, I beg don't forget to drop comments to tell us what you think about this video. And also, if you want us to come manage your business on the internet, we are very good at what we are doing, and I'll be glad to do that for you. See you in my next video.